party time! Whee! Let's jump out! Hop hop, so much fun!
Are you ready to draw a cute little panda in a dot cup together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, please click the big red subscribe button to join our little fun art family. And don't forget to like this video. And let's start. First, draw 2 big circles for the panda's eyes. Now draw small white circles inside each eye for the shiny light. Then color the rest of the eyes black. Leave the little circles white so the eyes look bright and shiny. Draw the panda eye patches. Now draw big oval shapes around each eye. These will be the panda's black eye patches. In the middle, draw a small oval nose. Then connect 2 little curved lines under the nose. Great! Now let's make a round face each side and connect everything together. Make the cheeks round and soft so the panda looks extra cute. The panda has its paws resting on the edge of the cup, making them symmetrical. On the top of the head, draw 2 small round ears. These are the cute cheeks. And from now on, let's draw a cute cup with me. We are going to draw the cup rim with nice, smooth curves. Wow! Look at that! Let's make the cup have lots of white polka dots. Coloring time. Now it's time to color your panda. Color the ears, eye patches, and arms black. Color the cheeks light pink. Let's make this cup super colorful. I'm thinking of using some soft, happy pastel colors like yellow, blue, and green. What do you think? And here is our cute and easy panda. You did it! I'm so proud of you. See you in the next drawing. Bye-bye.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.